Top 10 article quiz. Can you score 8 out of 10? Okay, check out your skills. First question for you. This is dash apple. The correct answer is option B. Next question. I have dash pain. The correct answer is option A. Question 3. She is dash teacher. Option A is the right answer. Next question. He bought dash umbrella. Option B is the right answer. Question 5. Dash sunrise in the east. The correct answer is option C. Next question. This is dash book. The correct answer is option A. Next question. I saw dash cat. Option A is the right answer. Question 8. She has dash orange. The correct answer is option B. Next question. Dash moon is bright. The correct answer is option C. Get ready for your last question. Don't forget to share your score in the comments. Option B is the right answer. Thanks for watching.